welcome. I'm Arthur, Sales Manager for Powersoft in APAC. So we're at Integrate 2025 and we are showing the NOTA. So this is our latest PoE amplifier. So it works on PoE, PoE Plus, 50 watts per channel. So it has 2 channel outputs, works with AES67 and USB-C. So on display here we have the NOTA powering the EAW. This is a 6.5 inch and a dual 10 subs. And everybody is excited. So it works with AES67 and USB-C analog inputs. So you can choose priorities over analog audio or AES67 audio. So it works as a bridge as well. So you can have AES streaming in and USB going out via the USB-C port. So it's a very neat little package. It comes with a mounting brackets that you could mount it anywhere. So let me try and get this off. So with this bracket, you can actually screw it onto the wall with this screw holes here. Cable tie it to a mic stand like this, or even it has a thin rail mounting over on the back. So it's very easy to mount this anywhere. All you need to do is just clip it back and it stays very secure.